how to download and install Firefox in your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome or any web browser, and then on the search bar, search for Firefox, hit enter, and then tap on Get Firefox for desktop and mobile. Now tap on Download Firefox, and then you'll need to wait until the Firefox installer has been downloaded. It will appear right here under your downloads. Tap on it. So you just have to give permission for the installation, and then that's it. The Firefox browser will be installed on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.